On top inside Edo today, Edo APC go respect the power sharing formula wey dey for the 3 senatorial districts for the state. Na Governor Goodwin Obaseki na talk this one. Edo State Governor Goodwin Obaseki don talk say him administration go continue to dey promote inclusiveness. This one mean say him administration go make sure say dem represent the 3 senatorial districts wey dey for Edo State politics. Obaseki talk this one for the event where them organize to take celebrate Speaker for Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Frank Okiye, wey shele for Uromi wey dey Esan Northeast local government area for Edo State. Governor say wetin dey happen before now no go happen again because say him administration go make sure say Esanland follow for the 3 leg wey dey for Edo State politics. He say e first dey happen before but dem don change am now and some people wan change am again make dem for bring the wrong person. Governor talk say na Esan people na choose Okiye and dem come tell Edo State chapter of APC 9 party con agree and people must respect APC power because na Right Honorable Frank Okiye na be speaker and this one follow for party structure. Governor say people dey do they say katakata dey the party but dem no gree come out come talk wetin dem want. He say the only thing wey dem don talk na say dem no dey take care of party members. Say but Edo State government don try to put party members for Edo State government activity but dem still dey talk dey go for social media anyhow and dem dey use agbero take dey disturb government. Obaseki come salute the women and youths for Esanland. He say make them continue the good work wey dem dey do because party dey put hope for their work for Esanland. Governor say him administration go continue to support Right Honorable Frank Okiye as Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly because Esan people choose am make he represent them and he don already dey represent them well. He still talk say him administration go continue to carry security go up for there because dem don already say make police collabo with vigilante groups so that dem go fit secure Esanland. The host of the event, Prince Julius Ahanoba, come salute Obaseki's style of leadership and him say he do this ogbonge event to take celebrate Right Honorable Frank Okiye wey he take be speaker for Edo State House of Assembly. Ahanoba come say make governor try make sure say unity dey the party and make all party members work together to make sure say progress and development dey for the party gidigba. Ahanoba come knack hand for chest talk am say Esan people dey gidigba for governor back. Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Goodwin Obaseki don talk am say Edo APC go respect the power sharing formula wey dey for the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.